Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE marks relation and function exercise 1.2 question number 2 in that first subdivision. Let's see the question. Check the injective and surjective of the following function. Injective means one to one and surjective means on to function. So we are going to prove here the injective means one to one and on to function of the given function. Here the function is from natural numbers to natural numbers. So it is from n to n, given by f of x is equal to n square. Yeah, let me draw you the n. So this is from n to n. Your function here is f. Now let me take three numbers. Leave this 2. Now I have written 2 numbers here and 6 numbers here. Now let f of x is equal to f of x1 is equal to f of x2. As I told before, for 1 to 1 we need to take f of f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If it is x1 is equal to x2, then we can say that it is a 1 to 1 function. If not, it is not a 1 to 1 function. Here we know that this is equal to x square, so it becomes 1x square. Substituting the value of x1 in both the condition, it becomes f of x1 is equal to x1 square. So x1 square I am substituting here is equal to, here it becomes x2 square. Now bringing to one side, it becomes x plus x1 plus x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. We know that this is a minus b. For a square minus b square formula, we can write this to be a plus b into a minus b. Taking this condition, writing this is equal to 0, we get x1 is equal to minus x2. Here it becomes x1 is equal to x2. Though we get this here, x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Here this is equal to minus x2, which is not possible, because here the condition here is it is a natural number. It can't be a number to a negative number. As it is a natural number, everything will be a positive number, not a negative number. So this is not possible. As this is not possible, we are getting only this condition is not satisfied. And also taking this also, we can write this to be, seeing this itself we can say this is not possible, because both are positive numbers. Adding two positive numbers, we can't get the value 0. So this is not possible. So here, but here we get x1 is equal to x2. We know that x1 is equal to x2 means it is 1 to 1 function. Though this is not possible, leaving this, from this we can say therefore f is 1 to 1 function because we have got that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore it is injective. Let us prove for surjective. For surjective, let me take this. Here 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. If it is 3 square, we get 9. Now the range here, it becomes 1, 4, 9. That is, everything will become square numbers because the function here is a square number. So seeing this, we get only numbers which are square numbers. So your range is a square numbers, but your codomain is a natural numbers. So for range, everything is 1, 4, 9, it's a square numbers, but for codomain, it is a natural numbers. So therefore both are not equal. Codomain is not equal to your range, therefore f is not 1 to 1, sorry, onto function. Onto means it is a surjective. Therefore, it is not surjective. You can write this to be F is injective but not surjective. It is injective but not surjective. That's all with the sum. Thank you.